Shalom Uvracha, sisters and brothers. This is an urgent call. In the last week, over 500 missiles were shot from Lebanon to the north of Israel. Explosive drones are making their way at night hours and during the day. Over 100,000 civilians, brothers and sisters of ours, already evacuated their houses. Many of them are running without having a safe and stable solution for themselves. Everything is very random, very unstable, and unfortunately, cannot really be defined as a solution. I spoke today with a friend and student of mine, a person who lives in Tzfat. Last week there was a rain of rockets while his wife was walking the dog. Over 200 rockets fell on the area of Tzfat and the forest and villages around. I'm talking about a real critical life situation. We need to protect and we need to help and support our siblings. I'm reaching out to you after spending thousands and thousands of shekels from my own pocket, asking for your help to assist me to support those families. Guys, this is no time for considerations. It's time to act, time to affect, and to save lives of people. Young family with 3 children already ran to their family in the center of Israel. Located close to Tel Aviv, in 2 bedrooms apartment, there are now 7 people. An elderly couple with another elderly family member must as well evacuate their house. They don't have nowhere to go. Not so long ago, they made Aliyah and came to Israel from the States. Who will take care of them and help them if not us, if not you, if not me? Please think about what happens with those people living here in the Holy Land of Israel, protecting it with their own flesh and bones. Help me to assist them. Help me to help them. Become a lifeline for a great salvation for those who are now in great need.